How do I set up fingerprint on my iPhone XR?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of setting up Fingerprint ID on your iPhone XR. This feature not only enhances your phone's security but also makes unlocking your device a breeze.
What is Fingerprint ID?
Fingerprint ID is a biometric feature on your iPhone XR that uses your unique fingerprint to unlock your phone, make purchases, and even sign in to apps. It provides a secure and convenient way to protect your privacy.
How to enable Fingerprint ID?
Follow the steps below to enable Fingerprint ID. 1. Open your iPhone XR and navigate to the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Touch ID and Passcode. You may be asked to enter your passcode. 3. Tap on Add a Fingerprint. 4. Place your finger on the Home button but do not press it. Lift and rest your finger on the Home button repeatedly. 5. Once the first scan is complete, you'll be asked to adjust your grip to capture the edges of your fingerprint. 6. Tap on Continue and place your finger on the Home button again to complete the edge scan. Remember, you can add more than one fingerprint by repeating these steps.
How to use Fingerprint ID?
Once you've set up Fingerprint ID, you can use it to unlock your iPhone XR. Just rest your finger on the Home button. Apple Pay. Double-click the side button, then rest your finger on the Home button. App Store and iTunes Store purchases. After you tap to get something, rest your finger on the Home button. And that's how you set up and use Fingerprint ID on your iPhone XR. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Remember, your privacy is important, and Fingerprint ID is a great tool to keep your information secure. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Happy exploring!